Miss Ayuda, ito na po yung pinapadala nyo. Ito na yung pinapalanunin ko. Thank you so much. Tapos, ating buksan. Open it. This one, oh, this one. Oh, nice. This is for my pamangkin. Thank you so much. And this one, girdle, I love it. Para makuha na matsabunan ng atong mga bilbilin. And this one, sibak. Nice one.
Sige yan ka, agud lubaran
And then, I love this. I want to wear this one. Thank you, Miss Ayuda.
Sulubon yung maligo ka mo.
And then, this one. I love the colors of the tea bag. So very nice. I want to feed that. And the chocolate. Mapagmangkon na ako ang kanan. Thank you, Miss B. Sa imong mga blessing. And then this one is pitaka. And one more. We have more. Oh, this one, ipit. No more na, no more. Oh, Miss Ayuda, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for your family. And to you, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Miss Ayuda. Bye-bye.
Ito na sandal?
This is for the chocolate, this is for the tea bag, and the one tea bag, and the girdle, and the pitaka. Yes. Oh, I love this tea bag. I love it. And candy. Thank you so much, Miss B. God bless you and your family also. Take care. Bye-bye. Daghang salamat po. And Miss Daphne. Thank you, Sisi. Thank you, Sisi, Miss Daphne. God bless you all.